Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I have a Stitch Fix. I think this is number 80. I'm not mistaken. I do believe that is true. I opened everything up and took it already ahead of time. So here you get, let me show you. You get a return envelope, USPS, anything you don't love and you don't want to keep, you put back in this envelope and ship it back to them. You have 3 days to do so. The day you receive your package is day 1. And you can always extend that on .com, email them, all that good stuff. You get this white envelope. And it is your little style card, your note from your stylist, and then your items with some style tips. And I'm not going to look at that right at the moment. And this, I'm just going to look at the very top to make sure it says 80. Yeah, so this is the Fix number 80 for me. I'm not going to look at that just yet. I'm going to show you what the items are, and then I'm going to be trying this stuff on later. Let's see if I can just take this off the, let me take everything here. Okay, let's take everything out, then I can put the box on the floor and see. Okay. First item is a top. And this is more like heading into spring, the transition clothing. Fortune and Ivy, Helen. I'm saying Helene. It's Helen button detail blouse, red medium. This is not like a true red. It's more like an orange. Like an orangey red. This is what it looks like. Right here. You know, like a dolman-ish cap sleeve V-neck with the button detail. That might be a little too much. Here's the detail at the bottom. Button. I don't know if they're true buttons, are they? They do. No, they are real buttons. They button and unbutton, and the bottom is a drawstring, you know, straight hem in the back. This is more like a gauze material. Let me see if I can find a tag. I can tell you them. 100% rayon. Okay. And this is a medium, if I didn't say so. So that's that. I don't know how I feel about that. This next one, not me at all. Lacerine, Bezos, Relaxed Blouse, Olive, medium. Right here. I mean, it's not horrible. These sleeves just look like they're going to be too much of a poof. I don't know what that meant. So it's a regular, probably scoop neck. Oh, a little bit of a V with a tie. I didn't see that. I just turned it around to you. A little bit of ruching and gathering along the back there. And it is a straight hem, but I'm trying to get it so I can show you. There is like a banding on the bottom. Like, I wish they didn't do that. I mean, it's not bad. I don't know if I like that or not. I won't know until I try it on. Lots of olive this time. We have another one, Fortune and Ivy. Mila side tie mixed material top, olive medium. I don't know about this one either. This looks like a little cap sleeve, which I don't mind. A little bit of detail right there, and you can see my hand through that. So you will see your bra strap, which doesn't bother me. Just that. Scoop neck? Yeah, scoop neck. Mixed material. The front is probably the rayon. The back is the t-shirt material, and then you can see the twist tie. It is a straight hem bottom. Here's the back. That's okay. The front is almost like a jacquard print. Nice. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Ooh, that is too bright for me. Pink clover, Ada twist front knit top, fuchsia medium. Yeah, I don't like this color. This sometimes washes me out. This is like a cap sleeve. Strange cut on the neckline with all that detail. And it's just, you know, straight bottom, the back. Yeah, I don't like that twist knot like there. And this color is a no for me. It's too bright. Muted pinks. That's what I like. What do we have here? From Tribal, Christy Shawl color blazer, black medium. I did ask them for a blazer, but I said classic design and classic fit. This to me is not classic. This is more of a casual. I wanted more of a dressy blazer. So it's a straight, you know, sleeve. And you can, I don't know if you guys can see, ooh, see the design in that? It's like little puffs. So there. Let me see what the front looks like. One more time. Oh, shawl collar. I don't necessarily mind that. There is a button. There are pockets. I don't know. I don't know. Tribal jeans. Maybe with jeans and stuff like that, but I wanted this more for dressy. I'm looking for a black blazer, and they're hard to find. One that's a classic style and classic fit. I don't know. I'll have to try that on and see what I think. I don't know about this one. So give me, it'll be a while for me to try on, but it'll just be a second for you, and we'll be back with the try on. Okay, so I have the first top one now. This one's going to confuse me. Let me see, because there's two olive tops. This is Fortune & Ivy Milet side tie mixed material in olive medium, $39. Price-wise. It's a cute top. It really is. This I don't mind at all. Your bra strap is right in the beginning, so you really don't see it. It's not like it's all the way out. Nice little cap sleeve, because I don't like sleeveless. The fit is generous, as you can see. I hope you can see. I'm trying to stand up on my tiptoes, because I don't feel like lowering the camera. I'm not sure about this. Could I get rid of it? Yeah. Do I want to? No. And this is the t-shirt material back. So it would be very comfortable and airy in the spring, summertime. I just don't, it's kind of, like it's perfect for leggings, believe it or not. I don't wear leggings in the summer. I wear shorts, usually denim shorts. I don't know if I would wear this length, because I prefer, with shorts, my tops to be not at the top of my leg. And this is not. Here's the top of my leg. To be slightly up, because, you know, I have shorts on. I don't want it to be all top and you only see this much of my shorts. So I don't know about this. I'm going to think about this. $39. The price is mediocre. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try this on with this shirt on, not with my sweatshirt, because that would be very bulky. This is the blazer that they sent. This is very casual, and I probably won't be keeping it. I want a classic style and classic fit blazer that goes with dress pants, not. And this I would not go, in my opinion. It would probably look fine, but it's not what I'm looking for. I want, you know, and I might have to just go to a store and try to find one. Tribal Christie shawl collar blazer, black medium, $88. No, that's a no. I know I can get it cheaper than that. So let me go try this on. I'll just leave this on because it's, you know, less bulky. And we'll see what I think about the blazer. So the blazer is very nice. $88 nice? No, not my opinion. Sleeve length is not bad. I mean, you know, it's doable. Most of the time your arms are not just hanging down at your side. You're up, you're talking, you know, you have you're sitting, you're eating. I mean, this would be perfect. This would be nice in air conditioning, honestly. You know, if you have a sleeveless, you could wear sleeveless, and I would then at that point wear sleeveless and wear this. If you know you wanted to dress up, nice pair of shorts, even denim. I think it's nice. I mean, the pockets are nice to have. The shawl collar, okay. The button, it does button right here. I'm not going to button it. I don't feel like it. Here's the back. I mean, it is nice, but it's not what I need and want for my closet. I don't think, honestly, I would not wear this with dress slacks. It's too casual. And there's like fuzz all over it. And I wouldn't wear it otherwise. I have other things that I would wear. So to spend $88 on this, no. If $88 on a classic cut and look and all that for a blazer, like if I had to go into a store, like a department store to get the blazer, I mean, I'll look around in other, you know, places. Like I tried in Target and Walmart, no. I might have to go or look at like maybe Nordstrom Rack, things of those types of, you know, stores or big, you know, big department stores, and see if I can find one. I think it's a little long for what I want it for. Like I'll try to find a blazer maybe that hits me at the somewhere in the hip area or at the top of my legs, maybe like with one cute little button or something like that. Like I don't even care about the pockets on the blazer because I have pockets in my dress pants. I don't really put anything in them anyway. I'll have a cute like shoulder bag or something of that nature. But I don't, this is not for me. It's adorable, but not for me. Let's go for the other olive, which I'm not sure about this the more I look at it. So let's give this a try. Well, the other olive top is on, and this one is Les Serene Beezus Relaxed Blouse, olive medium, $40. Once again, not bad priced for Stitch Fix. The banding on the bottom actually isn't as bothersome to me as I thought it would be, but it's still, I think, if you were like hippier or had like larger thighs, when you went to sit, it's going to pull and wrinkle. In my opinion, the sleeves are not as bad as I thought they would be. Like, this is a good sleeve. It's just got a little tiny bit, and that's in right now. Like, that doesn't bother me. I'm not always a fan of this stuff, but this is laying flat enough that it wouldn't bother me. I would tie it and just, you know, leave it, or, you know, to get rid of it, it would be sloppy then because it would hang open. The fit is generous. Like you can see, there's plenty of room. Here's the back. I mean, it's cute. I don't mind I think this might be too busy for me. I don't mind it. Like solid pants and maybe, you know, cute little cardigan over top. It, you know, cream, something that matches in here over top if you're going out. You would look cute. Tuck it in if you want. This is not what I am looking for whatsoever. So I'm holding that pink one off to last because I know I'm not going to like that one. That is just too bright. So let's see what I think about this one. Okay, the Fortune and Ivy Helen button detail blouse in red medium, $40. This is a no right off the bat. It's way too low. I'm not one to show off cleavage. If I were to bend over, you're going to see everything. I would have to like tack that wherever it lays nicely. And then I don't know. Like the sleeves are fine if you don't like sleeveless because it's a cap. It's enough just to come down. You know, the overall length is okay. I'm not a fan of this tie, tighten, loosen type thing. You know, it's okay. Real buttons. It feels gauzy, but it said rayon, right? Here's the back. I mean, it's cute. It's not really red. I would say it's more orange than red. So on that tone of red, like onto the orange side, it's okay. You know, it's not for me. That's 100%. This one I don't think I'm going to like at all. Now, it could shock me, but I doubt it. Now, this material, I want to see what the material is first out, because I'm not a fan of the material. Rayon spandex. So 95 rayon, 5 spandex, but it's very stretchy. I don't like stuff like that. It clings. So let me see what I think about this once I put it on. Okay, so from Pink Clover, Ada twist front knit top fuchsia medium, $39. This is a no. I don't like the material. It's too clingy in here, which is my problem area still, little belly. You can just see every little lump. So you'd have to try to keep it like bloused a little bit or have something that would smooth you out a little bit more. And if I'm just wearing leggings or shorts, I can't be bothered doing that. I don't think these sleeves are capped far enough since I don't like sleeveless. This actually does not bother me, the actual offset of the design, because it's eye attracting. It brings your eye up. All this, like there's a seam across here, there's a seam across here, like it's too much. So this is a no. And the color is a little bit bright. If it was more muted, I might like it, or more of a berry instead of fuchsia. And I am itchy. Something you can see, like my arm is all red. Something that I tried on is itching me. So rather than come back in the next clip, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue on here. Box total is $246. That's way too expensive. Buy all 5 discount of 25%. I would save $61.50. So the box would wind up to be $184.50. $88 for that blazer. It's cute. I would never wear it casually. I want a dressier blazer in black, and I would pay $80 for that because they are expensive. I mean, cardigans are $40, $50. So something that would match, you know, black dress pants. I will pass on that. So I'm actually going to pass on everything in this box. There's nothing that wowed me, excited me, like I have to have it. So everything's going to go back, and fix number 80 is a big flop. I asked them why they switched my stylist. I never heard a word. Courtney is still the stylist on this, and this is really not a great, the preview was not good. She had I think I only picked a few things, and she had a repick. So I might just say, give me somebody else, because Courtney's not doing it. I think this was her third box, second or third box. I'm not willing to give people 5 and 6 boxes anymore, because yes, I have the style pass and I'm not paying a styling fee and all that stuff, but I still have to get out and run to the post office and return it. That costs money, time that I just right now do not have. So, everything goes back. I'm not keeping anything. You let me know if you liked anything in this box. Am I making mistakes? Some things were cute and okay. Like if I had a need for that casual blazer, I would definitely keep it. You could fold the sleeves up, you could push them up, wear them with jeans, and you know, like a cute booty, shooty in like the spring and fall. Wear it in the summer. You could probably wear it with shorts, like longer shorts maybe, or even you know, like above the knee shorts. If you were going out somewhere and you wanted to dress up a pair of shorts, yeah, you could do all that. I have a tag. I was like, what is that? I'm like, oh, there's a bug on me. And I just don't have a need for it as a casual. I want something dressy. So this is a big no for me, all items, and I'll send it all back. Give my review online of what I thought of this box, and wait for the next one. Might not be this month. It probably won't be till April, but we'll move on for Stitch Fix number 81. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.